Hi guys, welcome to Taste Like Home. I am your pro cook Tulu. Today is the 5th episode and I'll be making sticky chicken with avo and beet salad. To get the ball rolling for our sticky chicken with avo and beet salad, here are the ingredients you will need. 2 chicken breasts, 2 red onions which will be cut into wedges, 6 mini beetroots, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a handful of almond nuts, 1 large firm avo. Now for the marinade, 2 garlic cloves which will be crushed, 2 teaspoons of Cajun spice. You will also need 2 small lemons which will be juiced and zest, 2 large oranges which will also be juiced and zest, 2 tablespoons of clear honey, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of paprika. Now to prepare our beetroot and red onion, you will cut your onions into quarters. Make sure that when cutting them into wedges, they are face down for safety purposes. You will follow the same procedure for your mini beetroot. Prior to this, I blanched my beetroot in water for about 5 minutes. Put the onions and beetroot into a large roasting pan. Spread them out evenly so that they will get enough heat. Next, you will season your veggies with 2 or 3 pinches of your Cajun spice. Then just drizzle a bit of your olive oil. I do not use all of it. The remainder of the oil will be used to fry our chicken breast. Now place your pan in the oven and roast at about 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes or until cooked through. Now time to start making our marinade for our chicken breast. First, you're going to juice your orange. If you don't have a juicer, you can always just squeeze out the juice and then you're going to pour it into a bowl. Next, you are going to follow the same procedure as you did with your oranges with your lemons. Now that you are done, we're going to start mixing Cajun spice, our paprika, our honey. Make sure that you scoop everything into our bowl. Then it's going to be just a little bit of oil. Then we are going to grate our garlic. I do this because it is much finer and much more convenient. Now zest your lemon followed by your orange. Now time to make our chicken breasts. Soak the chicken in the marinade for about 30 minutes. For the best results, leave the chicken to marinate overnight covered in the fridge. Pour the remainder of your oil into the pan. My stove top is at its highest heat. Once the oil is hot enough, add your chicken. Add your fillets one by one. One by one. Make sure you also decrease the heat of your stove. Mine I have taken down to 7, which is a medium heat. Alternatively, you can take your heat even lower if you want to cook your chicken breast for longer. However, this may dry out your chicken breast. I fried mine for just about 5 to 7 minutes. Now that the chicken breasts are fully cooked, you're going to set them aside. Then you're going to wipe your pan using a kitchen towel in preparation of your salad dressing. Pour the remaining marinade into a pan. Once that is done, bring it to a simmer. Reduce it for about 2 to 3 minutes. We are looking for a thick consistency. You can leave it on the stove while you begin working with your avo. Half your avo, twist both sides to opposite directions. Remove the seed. Score with a butter knife. Once that is done, you're going to scoop it out with a spoon, then set it aside. Back to our chicken breasts. We're going to cut our chicken breasts into thin slices and cutting it across the grain. This makes it easy to chew on. Now time to serve. Firstly, you're going to place your roasted veggies into your bowl. Refrain from pouring your veggies into your bowl because this will make your plate dirty, and presentation is always key. Now we're going to place our sliced avos. As mentioned earlier, refrain from pouring any foods into a serving dish or plate. Instead, use utensils to plate as this is more presentable. Now it's time to plate our chicken. After your chicken, you're going to drizzle your dressing on top of your salad. Remember that this is a hot dressing, however, you can always serve it hot or cold. Now time to crush our nuts, and remember, this ain't these nuts. You're going to roughly pour over your nuts on top of your dressing. You can pour as much as you want, or if you are not a nutty person, you can always omit this process. And here it is, our first spring salad, courtesy of Taste Like Home with Tsolo. Now don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell below.